Want to take learning outdoors this summer? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore some creative and engaging outdoor learning activities perfect for students in special education. From nature walks to hands-on science experiments, we'll show you how to combine the great outdoors with fun, educational opportunities. Let's get your child excited about learning outside the classroom.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about outdoor learning activities for special education students. Summer is the perfect time to step outside and make learning even more exciting by taking it beyond the classroom walls. Outdoor activities can help children develop new skills, improve focus, and most importantly, have fun. Let's dive in and explore some fun ways to keep learning going while enjoying the beauty of nature. Activity 1. Nature walks and scavenger hunts. Nature walks are a fantastic way to introduce your child to science, observation skills, and sensory exploration. You can make it even more fun with a scavenger hunt. Create a simple scavenger hunt by making a list of things to find during the walk, like leaves, flowers, rocks, or even specific animals. This activity promotes cognitive development as children practice identifying objects, categorizing, and building their vocabulary. It's also a great sensory experience, especially for kids who benefit from tactile learning. Plus, a nature walk is an excellent opportunity to practice gross motor skills, walking, running, and even balancing along a trail. It's both educational and active. Activity 2. Outdoor science experiments. There's something magical about bringing science experiments outside. The open space makes it easier to do hands-on experiments, and it keeps your child engaged and excited about learning. You can try experiments like creating a mini volcano with baking soda and vinegar, planting seeds to observe growth, or even experimenting with water and nature objects to learn about buoyancy. These types of activities help children understand scientific concepts while stimulating their curiosity and imagination. Plus, outdoor science experiments provide valuable hands-on learning experiences, making abstract concepts more concrete and easier for kids to understand. Activity 3. Sensory exploration with nature. For children who have sensory processing challenges, nature is a goldmine for tactile and sensory learning. You can take advantage of natural materials like sand, water, rocks, or even leaves to enhance sensory development. Try activities like feeling different textures, rough, smooth, bumpy, listening to the sounds of nature, or even practicing mindfulness by focusing on the smells and sights around you. Sensory exploration helps children improve their sensory processing while also building fine motor skills and focus. These activities are particularly helpful for kids with autism or ADHD, as they encourage calming activities and provide opportunities to engage with their surroundings in a structured way. Activity 4. Outdoor math games. You can make math fun by taking it outdoors. Math doesn't have to be limited to a desk or paper, it can be active and interactive. Create a math-based scavenger hunt where your child solves math problems along the way, like counting objects, measuring things in nature, or even skipping to the right number in a hopscotch game. These types of games help develop numerical skills and problem-solving abilities in a playful, hands-on way. Using outdoor spaces for math games can also help your child improve their motor skills and number sense while staying engaged with physical activity. Activity 5. Creative art with natural materials. Nature provides all kinds of materials for crafting and creativity: rocks, twigs, leaves, flowers, and more. These natural objects can become your child's art supplies. Create a nature collage using leaves and flowers, paint rocks, or use twigs and branches to make creative sculptures. These activities promote fine motor skills, creativity, and self-expression. Plus, they give children a chance to practice patience and focus while working on an art project. Art projects also help children process emotions, build confidence, and see the beauty in the world around them, making them an essential part of learning. There you have it. 5 amazing outdoor learning activities for students in special education. Whether it's a nature walk, a sensory activity, or a fun math game, outdoor learning is a great way to keep your child engaged, help them build essential skills, and most importantly, have fun this summer. If you love the idea of outdoor adventures, hit the like button and subscribe for more fun and educational tips. Share your favorite outdoor learning activities for kids with special needs in the comments below. We'd love to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more tips to help make learning exciting and engaging. Have a wonderful summer filled with outdoor fun.